Windows. I use a Mac personally. Do I need an upgraded PC to do algo trading? No, not really. I'd say you need like, I don't know, just a laptop really. And as long as it runs, you can use the internet and you can download Python. As long as you can do those things, you're good. But Python runs on pretty much any computer. Maybe if you have like a 1992 laptop, you might not be able to do this. But the cool thing is I show you how to set up a VPS, which is a virtual private server, which is a computer that runs on the cloud, which allows you to run your bots 24/7, 365. Do you have a community? Yeah, we actually have a very great community. There's hundreds of people that are all attacking the same industry with you. So you're able to ask questions, share code, get ideas. It's beautiful, honestly. That's half the reason I do this, dude. I understand the ideas I have, but I don't know everything. So building a community makes it so I see a lot more than I would just see, you know? And you have full access to that. I mean, if you're on the inside at least. So you can see this is taking a little while to optimize, which is kind of good. It's doing a grid search. Can you explain how this optimizes and what a grid search really is? I want to answer some more of these questions here. Pulse is so fun, dude. You're so fun, dude. He says so profitable. He's selling a course on it instead of just profiting. Tailless time. Actually, there's no course, but it's closed. I closed it last week, bro. Good luck. Have fun. Where do you get your data from? So I showed you a few places to get data today. I showed you can get it from interactive brokers, which is nice because I got 30 years of Apple data here. And I showed you that for free on YouTube. I love it here. I love being able to show you guys so much stuff for free on the tube, dude. So you can see I got BTC data, I got ETH data, I got Sol data. I showed you how to get the Apple data here today. So we got the Apple data since 2000. The one that I was really impressed with was I go here to the IB data. I got 30 years of 15-minute data, which is crazy for free from interactive brokers. 137,000 lines. Nutso, bro. Let's keep answering some of these questions here. How can I get in touch with you? Here, any day, dude. Any day. I'm here live every day. I believe code is a great equalizer, and I believe if I share everything along this journey, then it's going to inspire some people to learn how to code. Algo trading is a pretty cool application of coding, but it's by far not the only. And when I got started 4 years ago, my whole downside risk was, I could obviously automate my trading. That's like the goal. But worst case scenario, I learn how to code. If I can code, I can build anything for the rest of my life. That's why I do what I do, dude. I believe code is a great equalizer. I know from experience that people are going to tell me I can't do this, I can't do that. I can't build this, I can't build that. You're not welcome here, yada yada. Okay, that's cool. If I know how to code, you're going to have to hire me someday if I want a job, but I've never had a job. I've never had a job yet. But if I ever need one, hey, I got the skills. I got the skills now. I can build anything. Let's see what else. Oh, what up, Texas? How you doing, bro? James is 777. Says stay strong. Jane says, was making a video listening to you in the background and then realized you're gone. Oh, did it get chopped up? Yeah, my computer maybe crashed or something. So this is taking a long time to optimize, but that's good. Can I have a discount? No. How often is the bootcamp updated? Once a week, actually. Is the bootcamp just for advanced coders only?
Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit, bitch. This is my life.
Unfortunately, the bootcamp is closed, but it's for beginners and intermediates, even advanced coders if you've never algo traded before. 777, Neil. Thank you. Necro. GM. Can I learn only from your YouTube? Absolutely, and that's the whole point of this. The whole point of showing everything every step of the way is I could do this just for free on YouTube. I believe code's a great equalizer, so I've already changed a lot of people's lives, and that's awesome. Um, I'm always gonna get trolls. I'm always gonna get trolls, and that's fine. They've never really given anything in the world to anybody. Probably not even a smile. People are gonna try to tear you down, and that's fine. You got to keep pushing, dude. You got to keep pushing. Don't listen to anybody. If you feel like you can help people, help them. Help them, dude. Cause you can see people come through the chat every day. They try to drag you down. And I've helped thousands of people learn how to code for free on YouTube. So whatever your faith is, I know I'm living right. And I know that I'm going to continue to give every single day. And I hope you do too, dude. Especially if you come in here with negativity. Especially if you come in here with negativity. I hope that you give. You have to give more than me. You have to. And if you're not, you heard the man. Hey, yo, dickhead. You heard the man. Can you build a bot for me? I typically don't build bots for people. I don't have time. Why do you teach algo trading? I teach it because I believe code's a great equalizer, and this is what I'm focused on, and this is what I use my code for. I'm not a big promoter. I don't like to promote like trading to people who don't trade, but if you're a hand trader, you're going to lose all your money. So I think it's urgent that you take a quantitative approach, at least look at some back tests before you trade those strategies. Ideally, automate it so you don't have the emotions, the in-game emotions. But how did you get started with coding? I had to automate my trading. Can I pay for the bootcamp and crypto is closed? Okay, so we answered all those questions, which is fine. Oh, big leg here. Big leg here on BTC, 3 M's. Go check that out. Nice, dude. It's a big leg right there, dude. All right, so you can see these optimized. They can optimize forever, dude. Oh my God, that's why though. I see what's going on here. For every step of optimization, it's gonna multiply the process. So while this is optimizing, what I want to do is just start coding out another backtest because this might take forever, fam. I shouldn't do this big of optimization, really. But let's see. Let's just let it run all day. Let's just let it run all day, dude. Let's go ahead and start coding out another backtest. Here, go ahead and read this. All right, let's try out this strategy, dude. Let's go ahead and just code it up. So this one's called the let's go here. The gold green dot py here. Okay, let's just code it out. Let's code this out, and here's the source of it if you want to read more. So let's say VWAP EMA gold green. Here's the source if you want to read more about it. Okay. So let's code it out. Let's say import TALib. Okay. Import NumPy as NP. Import pandas as PED. From backtesting, import backtest and strategy. From backtesting.lib, import crossover. Okay. Let's say class here is VWAP EMA. I'll close this for now because we don't need her. Strategy, and then we'll pass in the strategy here. Okay. We say def init self. And these are going to be the indicators. Say self.ema5 equals self.i talib dot ema and self.data dot close time period equals 5, and then self.ema20 actually 200 equals self.i talib.ema self.data.close time period equals 200. Okay, let's go ahead, keep going. Self.vwap, actually vwap 22 equals self.i talib.sma and self.data.volume this time multiplied by self.data.high plus self.data.low plus self.data.close. Then divided by, yeah, this is actually right. Nice. I love that. Love that for us, bro. Then we're going to do the VWAP self 50. This is actually the same thing, but it's 50. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then we're going to go to the next statement. The next is what runs on every bar next. Self. We're going to say price equals self.data.close -1. VWAP midpoint equals self.VWAP 20 -1 plus self.VWAP -1. That's actually correct. Nice AI. And then we're going to say by condition if crossover of self.ema5 self.ema 200 and price is over self.ema 200 -1, then something's wrong here, but we'll go ahead and fix it in a second. So def next, first we need to say, okay, price dot self, that's perfect. Then VWAP midpoint, self dot VWAP, okay. And then buy condition here, we just need to put self dot buy here, yes. And then sell condition, let's go ahead and write this as well.
Bill,
LF.
baby, Bill. Organized night.
Yes, our slogan must be learn, baby, learn, so that we can
Earn, baby, earn.
And price is under self.ema 200 -1. Okay, nice. Then self.sell. Perfect. So we got the buy condition, we got the sell condition, and then we're gonna have the exit conditions for trade in self.trades. If trade dot is long and price, and then VWAP midpoint, okay. Then we're gonna say self dot position dot close. LF trade dot is short and price is over VWAP midpoint. Then self dot position dot close, so that's correct. And then we're gonna pass in the data. So data equals pd dot read CSV, and then I actually want to pass in that same data that we're using in the ADXMA, which is the NQ data. It's actually the ES data, but lo mismo. No es lo mismo, pero whatever. Data equals. Okay, I'm gonna have AI do the rest of this. At gold green. Please look at this ADXMA and set up the data so it's the same, because there are like, you know, capitalization type things you gotta set up and then run the back test. No optimization needed. ADXMA. Just use the exchanges, dude, for data. Real-time data. If it's real-time, you use the exchanges. You can definitely learn it from YouTube. Nice, dude. I'm glad. That was the idea. That was the plan. Okay, let's see what happens here. So it's normalizing the data. Okay, great. Buy condition. Crossover self.ema. That's the same thing. Okay. -1. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it didn't change it. It just updated it. Copy path. Let's go here and say conda activate tflow, and then Python run it. Nice, dude. So it's a negative strategy. No bueno, no bueno, but cool to see that that works so easily. Let's go try some other data here. Oh, this is an interesting data set. Data here, crypto data, let's put it in there. Just slide it up in there. Copy path here. Ah, snap. I just tried to run it on top of this. We're gonna have to change this a little bit. What's up, next level? How you doing, bro? Let's go ahead and try it out here. Copy path here. And let's say Python. I don't think this is gonna work because the data is different, but so I changed the data set. Um, I changed the data set to have these headers below, make it work so both of the data sets work. Because these ones have different data here. Say accept here, and then let's go back to that terminal here. Got a little bugger go. Nice, dude. So you can see the profit factor is better. The expectancy is too low, though, in my mind. Sharp ratio is 0. The return is -0.19, but the buy and hold is -14. So it's actually better, and it's holding for half the time. That's awesome. It's not a huge data set. We could optimize it if we like. Let's go ahead and try to throw in the optimization too. Gold green here. Please go ahead and throw in the optimizations. Don't optimize too much as I don't want to take too long. So don't optimize too many variables, but please do throw in optimizations like we do for the other ones. So this is a better strategy than buy and hold, which is dope, at least. This is what the equity curve looks like. Very choppy. Let's hit accept here.
Yeah.
I don't care how
Copy
good you are
path.
in anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody.
Right.
You're nothing without discipline. Because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to
Okay,
do.
now it's
but do it
optimizing
like
here.
you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you could be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
You normally are. All right, so this has to optimize for a bit. So while this optimizes, I'm going to go ahead. We have 2 optimizing. I'm going to call it another backtest. How about that, dude? How about that? Let's show you another one. Let's do a SAR RSI.py. Okay, let's code this out, dude. I'll show you the source if you want to go read the paper. 1, 2, 3. Okay. SAR RSI here. Oh, it looks like it's done. So that was the best optimization here. So that's cool. We saw that. That's dope. Again, it's a game of shots. It takes a long time to find good stuff. A lot of the stuff has been worked out, meaning it's already been arbed out. Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR. Okay. And then we're going to say here, import NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Import TALib. From backtesting, import backtest and strategy. From backtesting.lib, import crossover. Import pandas as PD, and then we'll say class PSAR stoke RSI strategy. Pass in the strategy, and then PSAR start equals 0.02. PSAR step equals 0.02. PSR max is 0.2. That's right. Got a couple more indicators. So we want to say stoke RSI K equals 3. Stoke RSI D equals 3. RSI length equals 14. Stoke RSI. It's actually stoke length equals 14 as well. And then we're going to say definite self. Okay. Close equals self dot data dot close. High equals self dot data dot high. Low equals self dot data dot low. Parabolic SAR here, and say self dot SAR equals self dot I, and then TALib dot SAR, and then high low self dot PSAR step self dot PSAR max. Then stochastic here. Stoke RSI K. Stoke RSI K equals Stoke RSI D equals TALib dot Stoke RSI close time period equals self dot RSI length. Then we're gonna say down here, just to make it a little easier to see, fast K period equals self dot stoke RSI K. Okay. Rishi, dude. Rishi. What did I do here? Okay. That's weird. Fast. I'm just gonna put it on the same line because that looks ghetto. It's actually right. And we're gonna say fast D. MA type equals 0. Let's put all this on the same line because I'm probably gonna mess it up if I don't. Taylor gang. Okay, so let's go here to stochastic. Let's say self dot stoke RSI K equals self dot I lambda x stoke RSI K and be done with it. Self dot stoke RSI D equals self dot I lambda RSI D, yes. And then it says next here, and that's actually right. That's the only part that's right though. KD equals self dot stoke RSI K. Self dot stoke RSI D close equals SAR equals self dot data dot close self dot SAR, and then we're gonna detect double bottom. Okay, if K -3 20 and K -2 is over K -3 and K -1 is greater than K -2 and close of -1 SAR -1 and SAR -2 close -2. Something's off here. Nah, that's all good. Then we're gonna say self.byte, yes. Detect double bottom. K over 80, yep. -2 over -3 and K -1, -2, yes. And close -1 under SAR -1 and SAR -2 is under close -2. Perfect. Self.cell. Perfect, dude. And then let's go ahead and say this. ADX star, which was the last one we did? Yeah, it's Gringo. In this file here, please go ahead and do the same thing we did with gold green that I'll attach below, so it works with both different data types that we have. Do they have a request limit? Maybe. Darius says Moondev him. My dog, can we link up a live stream? BS in physics. I'm not Riri. My community asks you. Why don't you use adaptive optimization to test instead of random? Want that overfit? I don't know. You tell me, bro. You're my hero, Moondive. Trying to be like you, bro. Trying to be like bro. Trying to be like bro. Trying to be like bro.
Don't run with the pack. If everyone is trying to solve the same problem, or a whole group of people, if that's the latest and greatest thing to do, don't do that. Do something original. Don't follow the pack.
Bro. Bro. Without the optimizations, though, I just want to see the regular run. Bro. Bro. Say accept here. Okay, copy path. We're gonna go ahead and say Python. Sheesh. Nice, dude. So it's not a good strategy, though. Unfortunately. Let's go ahead and optimize it. Negative 46% return while buying holds, negative 14%. What data are we using, though? Dog. We're using the BNB data? Okay, I don't want to use that. I want to use the futures data, dog. The futures data, dog. Hey, I didn't copy it, did I? Sheesh. He's over here not copying for real. You gotta actually copy it, Moon. Okay, now let's be a data dog, buddy. Now let's data dog it.